Hello friends, in previous session we studied number of atoms present in simple cubic, body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic. In simple cubic there is only one atom. In body-centered cubic we find there are two atoms, and in FCC there are four atoms are present. Okay, and next one was coordination number in simple cubic, body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic. For simple cubic coordination number 6, for body center cubic coordination number is 8, and for face centered cubic is body coordination number is 12. So this is about what we learned in previous session, and now in today's session we will discuss on Bravais lattice in 2 dimension. Bravais lattice. Bravais is a French physicist. In 1948, he introduced the concept of space lattice to describe the structure of crystals. Okay, and these crystals are based on symmetry. Either it may be rotational symmetry of lattice, or mirror symmetry of the lattice point, or maybe inversion. And from these symmetric operations consideration, only some lattice forms are possible in 2 dimension, and these lattices are known as Bravais lattice. With the use of symmetric operations, Bravais characterized the 2-dimensional space lattice into 5 types, and its definition is: Bravais lattice or space lattice described a geometric arrangement of the lattice, and the types are square, rectangle lattice, central rectangle, hexagonal and parallelogram or oblique. We have to remember one point here. These lattice structure of crystals are based on the symmetric properties such as rotational or mirror or inversion, not on the geometry of the unit cell. Let's start from first, that is square lattice. See this figure. In this one you can see a lattice points are there. Okay. These are the lattice points, and the distance between these all lattice points are equidistant. And if we construct a crystal structure, this one is like this. You can see this one. Okay, and there here two translation vectors are there, A and B, and for this one square lattice, the lattice parameter A equal to B, and the angle between them is 90 degree. This type of crystal structure in 2 dimension we say square lattices. Come to next point, that is rectangle lattice. See this figure here, these points are the lattices. Okay, and if we construct in this lattices a unit cell is like this, we obtain. If a translation vector or lattice parameter A not equal to B and the angle between them is 90 degree, such type of crystal structures in 2 dimension we call rectangle lattices. Next is center rectangle lattice. See this figure. The term can be understood into 2 parts. One is center and another one is rectangle. Here center rectangle refers to the presence of an additional lattice points at the center of a reference unit cell. In this unit cell we can see here one additional point is there, or lattice, which is in the shape of rectangle, and here the shape of unit cell is being considered a rectangle. Both rectangle lattice and center rectangle lattices are same. Only the difference between them is rectangle has lattice points only at the corners and center rectangle has lattice points at the corners of unit cell as well as one more additional lattice at the center. Hence the name is center rectangle lattice. Come to next point, that is hexagonal lattice. See this one, a cell, see this unit cell, this one is in the form of hexagon, and this is not a conventional cell because it has actually a combination of three cells. You can see 1, 2 and 3, and this cell brings out the hexagonal symmetry of the lattice, or we can say it is a simply simply triply non-primitive cell. And the condition for hexagonal lattice parameter is translation vector A equal to translation vector B. In this we can see here A and B are the two translation vectors between these lattice points, and the angle between them is equal to 120 degree. Such type of lattices in two dimension we call hexagonal lattice. And last one is oblique or parallelogram. See this figure here, these are the lattice points, and if we construct a crystal structure in this by using these lattices, we get a unit cell like this. Okay, in this one unit cell, vector A and vector B are the two translation vectors, and the condition for oblique is lattice parameters A not equal to B and the angle between them not equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is about oblique. And see this one, tabular column. Here in first column, lattices in two dimension. Bravais characterized the lattices in 5 types. First one, like square, rectangle, center rectangle, hexagonal or 120 degree rhombus, and next one oblique. The shape of unit cell for square lattice is square, for rectangle it is rectangle, for center rectangle the shape of unit cell is also rectangle, but one condition is, or one difference is, this unit cell has one lattice point as a center. Okay, hexagonal structure or lattice has shape of 120 degree rhombus because this one consists 3 unit cells. And next one, oblique, the shape of unit cell is parallelogram. Here lattice parameter conditions for square, parameter A equal to B and angle between them is 90 degree. For rectangle, lattice parameter A not equal to B and the angle between them is 90 degree. For center rectangle, A not equal to B, alpha or angle is equal to 90 degree. For hexagonal lattice parameter A equal to B and the angle between them is 120 degree. And last one, oblique. Here for oblique, lattice parameter A not equal to B and alpha is any value except 90 degree. So this is about two dimension Bravais lattice: square, rectangle, center rectangle, hexagonal and oblique. And in the next class we will discuss Bravais lattices in 3 dimension. Thank you.